Good, cold and breezy Saturday morning. I think Drake lost his coat. He's got his boggin on, but he ain't got his coat. But
Well, I didn't think it was that cold.
it's cold. It is cold this morning. I mean, it's not as cold as yesterday morning or Thursday morning, I believe. Yesterday was like 25. It's 29 this morning, so that's a little better. We're gonna give you a quick weekend walk around the shop, show you what's got done, what needs to be done, which the list is longer than the got done list, ain't it, Drake?
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna start the main part here before the wind blows our door off so we can get over to the other part. Looks like Junior finally got the old Buick in prime.
Yeah, he got the quarter prime. He needs to get the rest of this in prime and painted.
If you remember on one of the videos, it's in the frame machine, and he cut out the body panel, put one out of a used one in it. It's got it all welded in ground. Need to get it sealed up and primed and took care of. And let's see, we finally got the old Torino back on the rack, didn't we?
Yeah, Edwin's been working on cleaning the bottom of it so we can get it painted.
Edwin trying to get all this cleaned up, ground down. I think there was a few more spots. Got them welded up, looks like. Got them little pinholes. But anyway, you can see she's solid now. We'll just get her cleaned up and painted. She'll be ready to roll. Drake can put that 429 I sent him the other day in there.
That's 72 model. I don't want
Oh, don't want no 72 model.
No.
Anyway. And then I think Drake's been working on a tailgate in this bed.
Oh, I've been standing on this tailgate for 2 days.
A tailgate is probably one of the worst things to sand around, especially around each little letter. You can see how it's
But trying to get it
tedious.
sanded and not leave blocking marks.
Yeah,
or-
not leave blocking marks, and make sure you get all the little creases. A tailgate's a job, but I think he blocked on the bed for about 2 days.
Yeah, I blocked on it for a few days.
I'm
It's ready. It just needs to be blowed off, taped up, but I want to get the tailgate ready too and paint them both the same.
Yeah, hopefully get them in the booth next week.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. I was wanting to by Friday, but it didn't happen.
We got the Cutlass. Almost, yeah, but you should have painted that 48 turkey.
Should have.
I should have said you can't eat no turkey till it's painted.
Sure. The thing I don't
You
eat
would
turkey.
you've been you've been hungry right now, wouldn't you? We got the Cutlass pretty much stripped. I think the hood and the header panel here. Of course, the header panel ain't gonna want to get that big hog wheel. I don't think I hold it. It's not a plastic, but no, it is.
It's fiberglass, ain't it?
Well, some of them's a fiberglass, and some of them's old, kind of like that old pop metal stuff, ain't they, or something? Or
I don't know.
I think they're different ones, but I believe it is fiberglass on this one.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, I believe this one is fiberglass. And then you got them old fillers that are rubber fillers. But like I said, we got the hood scraped. Just ain't been stripped yet because I don't know. That old thing right there, it'd do some damage on the hood if you ain't careful with it. But that thing, speaking of that thing right there, it done a job on all the rest of the panels. And you can see a few little spots here we got to take care of. But other than that, it was a pretty solid little car, wasn't it?
Just that old half Landau roof done most of the damage.
All them things was good for was damage. Now I think we got a couple things. Drake's got the old Maverick in here, put a fuel pump, 2 header bolts, and adjusted the valve.
Yep.
Took 12 hours yesterday.
Yep.
30 minutes of it was the fuel pump and the valves. The other 11 hours and a half hours was the header bolts.
I had to grind one head to make it square so I could put the open end box end on it.
That's why you buy aluminum heads, so you can grind on them easy. But anyway, fix and wash it up, ain't you?
Yeah, get it ready to go for funeral.
It's car show, long time car show member passed away, and they're gonna do a funeral. They want some old cars in the position, so gonna get it cleaned up, ready for that. We were supposed to also went where today, Drake? Where was we supposed to go?
They calling it Sand Mountain Dragway?
Sand Mountain Dragway. Test and tune with the old Maverick, but they called it off. Said it's too cold.
Too cold, and then plus the funeral.
I just can't figure out too cold at 49 degrees. That's not too cold to go drag racing.
It may be too cold for them to stand out there and work the tree.
Ah,
the track.
I don't know. I remember some pretty cold days we've been drag racing. I mean, it's been cold. You done this side? Walk over here to, I think they went and got that old Ford truck drug it in yesterday with starter.
Yeah, gas pick it up, put a starter on, it's going now.
Alan sold the old Jeep, but he sold it to another one of them that don't want to come pick their stuff up, did he?
Yeah,
It seems like if we do sell something and get rid of it, they don't want to come get it.
I think it's a guy from Texas that lives on the road.
Oh, living on the road, my friend. How's the rest of that go? We got the old Ford truck in this side over here, letting it cure out, I guess you call it, while we let it age like a fine wine while we get the bed ready.
Well, everything shrinks up in body work. So
Yeah,
you want it to shrink up.
before we do any fine
Before it's sand and buff it.
buffing. The old Comet over here. Yeah, we've been piddling on it every now and then. Got the radiator on. I think we've showed you that. Got the power steering on it. A few of you may not have seen it.
I ordered some stuff from the parts store. I needed the bulkhead unions for the firewall, so we
Yeah.
can run these lines for that,
Yeah.
and then a hard line from.
Got to run a reservoir for our clutch and brake master cylinder through the
But this is
firewall.
what they sent me for
bulkhead.
bulkhead unions. So I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to get different on that.
Do some reordering on that. But you can see it's getting closer. And I believe I'd like that fan better if it had been black. That
Chrome gets you home, buddy.
that chrome gets you home, but you can tell that's that
Cheap.
imitation chrome. And then I know we got over here, Alan has been a cleaning and shining on the old Jeepster. He's getting the Geraldine Christmas parade.
Yes.
I think they plan on taking some youngins around in the Geraldine Christmas parade. I don't think it's next Saturday, but I believe it's the next 13th. But he's been in here polishing and a shining and a cleaning, getting it ready. I think he's worked a couple days on that. He
Yep.
worked late to the night the other night.
We test drove to the park store yesterday.
Just drove it around, put the miles on it.
Yep. It cleaned up pretty good.
It is. It's cleaning up real nice. Look at that shine.
It looks good.
It does.
Everybody likes it.
It does. It's an eye catcher, ain't it?
Yeah.
It is an eye catcher. She is a beauty.
I can't believe how much better it looks with the top down.
It does, don't it?
I guess this is the first time
The-
the top's been down since it's
Well, you know, the first time I saw it just from a distance, I was like, does that top go down, or is it just one of them imitation look like a convertibles, you know? I had to get up there close to it and kind of look like it.
amazing how much better.
It does. It's a whole different car with the top down. I'd have to drive that top down year round. Perfect day today to drive it around, wouldn't it?
Like I said, it was yesterday. We drove it not much better.
But anyway, that's what's going on this week at the 256 garage. Drake Allen's got a lot of work next week. They better hurry up. It's getting Christmas time. We need some Christmas money. So they better get to work. 256 garage out.